Good morning children, welcome back to School at Home program. Yeah, the last class, the storied house 2, part 2 we were completed. Today we will move with the part 3, that is page number 145. Okay. Bayaji was badly burned. See, all the Patil, Bujaba, these fellows, what they have done, they can't digest that untouchable had they constructed a house. Yeah, so for that case, what they have done, they have burned the house. But they were saying that it's the fault with the Petromax. He was in great agony. Agony, nothing but pain. What do you mean by agony, children? Pain. He asked for water all the time. He was burnt. Half of the body was burnt. Now he was asking water. As his eyes began to roll in his head, his eldest son moved closer, gulped down the sorrow, controlled the sorrow of the Bayaji that was surging in his throat and asked, Nana, what is your last wish? He is about to die. Who is about to die? Bayaji. What is the reason behind? Because that foolish people made this ill effect to the Bayaji. So that the elder son was moved closer to him and controlled his emotion, and he was asking, Nana, what's your last wish? Sons, I want you to build a storied house. What is the wish of the Bayaji? To build a storied house. I have no other wish. That is only the wish of Bayaji. Will these words, his head collapsed like the storied house? Bayaji was quite on fire to had clamped down. What do you mean calm down? Stopped. Calm down means stopped. At a time, two actions were happened. What are the two actions? One action is the Bayaji was dead. Do that. Immediately, the fire was stopped. Bayaji's mother wept bitterly. Wept bitterly means very seriously. The Bayaji's mother wept, and your father passed away without giving me a burial. So everyone feel that the son should give the burial, but here the mother is giving the burial to the son. At least your hand should have pushed the dust over my dead body. See, do you know, after digging the mud from the earth, we keep the body inside. So the mother wishes at least he would have pushed the dust on her body. But here it is different. It is opposite to that. Bayaji speak to me. She was mad with grief. Who was mad with grief? Bayaji's mother. Bayaji's wife was sobbing her heart out. Who was sobbing her? The Bayaji's mother was crying repeatedly. Who's done this evil to us? Let the house burn to cinders. Let the house burn to cinders, nothing but pieces. Save my husband first. The Bayaji's wife was saying that who done this evil to them, and she was not bothered about the house, but she is bothering about the husband, and she is saying to the children that let's go to the hospital or treat him immediately. In that way she was saying. She was crying. The entire family was shattered by a calamity. Wife, she was saying to the children that let's treat first to the husband. That means she want to treat the husband. The entire family was shattered by the calamity. Calamity means it's a disaster, sudden disaster. What was the disaster here? The storied house was collapsed. The spirit of all the men were dampened like a cooking fire on which the water has been poured. Dampened means made wet. See, the spirits of all the men, many are they attended the party. All the spirits of the men were dampened means made wet, like cooking fire on which the water has been poured. In the morning, the village officers and the witnesses visited the place to record the facts of the accident. What happened in the morning? The officers, witnesses means viewers, those who were attended the party. They came, they visited, and they took the facts of the accident, how it was happened, what is the reason behind this accident. Bayaji death was a result of an accident due to Petromax flare-up was their conclusion. See what the conclusion these people gave? The accident is because of the Petromax. Do you know, children, what is the reason here? It's not the Petromax, but it is the Patil or Bujaba who belongs to higher officials of that village. The house was burning before the housewarming ceremony was over. Bayaji was in ashes in the cemetery instead of enjoying the comforts of retired life. See here, now the Bayaji should feel happy. Now he should stay happily throughout his life, throughout his end of the life. But what was happened? The house was become the ashes, and he was dead. That is the last scene that was the left with the Bayaji's family. After the funeral, people returned hanging their heads. All of them were painted. It hard to think that having come to celebrate the housewarming, they had the misfortune to attend the funeral of the host. See, they were attended for the good thing, but presently the guests were attended the funeral of the Bayaji. This is an unfortunate thing. It's not the fortunate. Unfortunately, they were attended the funeral of the host. All were sitting in sullen mood, disturbed mood in the pandal when the Bayaji's eldest son came out with 3 or 4 baskets, a spade, a pickaxe, a hoe. He outlined a square with the pickaxe and began to dig. What happened here? Always sitting in a bad mood in the pandal with the Bayaji's eldest son came out with the 3 or 4 baskets. He came, how he was came? He came with the 4 baskets, a spade he was getting, pickaxe and hoe. All these things were bought by the, who bought all these? Bayaji's eldest son. He outlined a square with the pickaxe and began to dig. He started to dig. The eldest son was digging, the second was gathering the earth with his spade, and others were lifting it away his baskets. Now these people want to construct the house. Now that is the reason they bought all the pickaxe, hoe, spade and baskets. The guest asked in amazement, "Children, you are in mourning." Mourning and mourning, children, difference is sorrow. What is that you are doing? Our Father's soul cannot rest in peace unless we do this. The people were asking, you are in mourning, why you want to do all these things? The children told the people that my father cannot rest in peace if we do not construct the house. But what is that we are doing? We are starting on a house. Now they were starting a house. No, not one with the concealed first floor, but a regular 2-stored house. Now which house they want to build? Regular 2-stored house. House they want to build it. Replied the eldest son of Bayaji. And 6 brothers resumed with the determination. They were helping him. The work of digging the foundation of 2-stored house was started. It was written by Vaman Govind Hoval and it was translated by Hatnaga Lekar. Okay, children, with this we will completed this part. That is which part? Storied house 2. Today's homework is page number 146. Meanings you have to write in your notes. Okay, children, is it possible to write? And page number 151, page number 146 and 151. Home task. 146 and 151 should be written in notes. Okay children, note of the homework. Try to complete it tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.